Hi Dan, I just wanted to make a quick video walking you through our resources that we do have at the library in terms of databases. Just a quick snapshot. I'm just going to show you Ebsco, not some of our other tools. As you maybe read in my email, we don't have ProQuest. We have Ebsco. Instead, it's considered a comparable product. Washington State has a statewide license to ProQuest, and probably every state I've worked in, they usually have some sort of statewide license provided by the state library. In this case, Oregon supplies a database called Gale, which is actually pretty crummy for academic purposes. So BMCC, like a lot of other colleges, purchased additional package, and most of us purchase as part of a consortium, Ebsco. And I won't go into too many details, but it's a historical thing. The state used it's a historical thing, but anyways, what we have, and it's pretty good, and I think comparable to Ebsco. So let me walk you through how to use it. You maybe, back in the day, use this similar database in college, but ProQuest is really friendly as well. So top library databases, and we're going to click on Academic Search Complete, which is just one of the Ebsco databases. So I don't know if this looks familiar to you at all again. Even though I know you've been out of school for a while, their interface hasn't changed in some ways that much. So it looks a little, I think, in some ways it looks kind of dated compared to ProQuest, but I think it has excellent content. So, so how you would want to use this is like any other database, keyword searching, but I want to show you two other things. One is Academic Search Complete is really kind of their big, kahuna databases, I guess. It's kind of like their Fred Meyer or Walmart. They have just about anything you need on any topic, they're going to have something on it. However, if you click on Choose Databases, they also have a lot of other content, and one of them being ERIC, which you probably are familiar with. And you can click OK. There's other databases as well, but I'm assuming you might want business news. I shouldn't assume, but I'm assuming you might want just ERIC at this point. But you can see what to choose from. And that will search both of those databases at once with your keyword terms. The other important thing that I want to show you, particularly for your search, because it sounds like you're doing maybe a citation-based search, this is how I tend to search when I have a citation in hand, and this is how I'd search if you gave me those citations. I would actually click up here on Publications, and I would click to see if, and it's very confusing, there's a search box up here, and then there's this box. You want to be in the second one right here. This is an alphabetical list of all the journals that are listed in Academic Search Complete and ERIC. And for some reason, I'm just thinking of the Journal of Academic Librarianship. I'm sorry, that's really lame. Should think of something more in your field. But so what this tells me is it brings it up. I can see yes, indeed, this is included in Ebsco. I can see it's limited in its scope. It only goes up to 2004. This is a highly embargoed journal, but it does available in PDF and HTML full text. If I scroll down further and say I wanted some more information, say on the Journal of Academic Studies, well, that's from 2002 to the present, and it's available in PDF, not HTML. The main difference is the PDF looks how it appeared in the magazine. The HTML has additional features such as a read player. So if you are someone who prefers to listen, to download, you can download the HTML content and such. That's the primary differences, the accessibility piece. However, if you have a reader, I guess PDF can work for that as well. And then you'll see some on occasion where it just has the bibliographic records. So that's one way to search. So if I clicked here, that would take me to the journal, and I can do a couple things. One is I can just go through the issues one by one. Again, and if I know that my article that I wanted to see came out in 2004 and was 30, let me move my screen, volume 30, number 5, I would click there. It would take me to all the articles in that issue. Going back. The other thing that you can do is, and I want to point this out because I think it's not always that easy. That's a flaw with Ebsco. In tiny print here, you can also search within this publication. So if you wanted to search for all the issues on oh my goodness, technology. You could certainly do that, and they'll search for all those instances of that keyword within that journal. So just something to do. One way to search, and came up quite a bit. The other thing is private, more common search. So this is a publication search. The more common search is just, of course, doing the keyword search. So if you wanted to look at, libraries and technology, of course, you want to narrow that down a bit. You could do things like, so similar to ProQuest, you can limit to full text. That should have been already set, so that's kind of weird. You can set your date range. So of course, for technology, we're going to get up to the last couple of years, right? And, of course, then you can filter even further by what type of resource, and if there's any other particular subject headings that you are thinking of that might be useful. So in my case, I'd want to look at academic libraries. And so, great, 132 articles on academic libraries and technology. Click on the title. It gets you into the summary, any images, and then the PDF of the articles right over here. It says this for a report or something more significant, that a presentation that you're giving that you want to include citations on. There is a citation feature, which is right here. Click Cite. I'm assuming you'd be using APA. There it is. Copy and paste that into your Word as you go. Pretty awesome. I know you don't use Google Drive. However, if you did, this is a fantastic feature. You click there and it automatically saves it to your Google Drive. You can also email these to yourself as a backup. So anyway, in a nutshell, again, just really quickly, that's the Ebsco databases, keyword searching, publication searching. I just want to know that, I know this person. Okay, anyway, I just want to make sure that you feel like you know how to do this if you'd like. But of course, feel free to not. If you have an article request, to send it to us and we'll take care of it for you. Okay? Thanks, Diane. Take care.